Hi, I am Rashid from Tortoise Theme. Welcome to our new tutorial series Everything About Git. In our previous video we talked about basics of Git. In this video we will talk about how to install and configure Git on our computer. At first you need to download the Git software from their website. After download the software we need to install like a normal software. Let's see how to install the software. You just need to click on the software like any other software. Just yes, next, install. I assume you have Git installed on any of the OS. Now you need to configure Git, and the main purpose to configuration is that when you commit through Git, it will store your information with commit. All you have to do is enter your username and email address during the configuration. After Windows install Git, a shortcut file named git bash will be created on your computer. You just need to open and write some command. After complete install, we will see how to configure and what is the command for configure. Just wait few seconds. Now if you go here, then we will find three icons: git bash, git cmd, git gui. You just need to click on git bash. Then you need to write here git space config, then global, then user.name. Then here we need to write our name or the name of our Git server. Here I write the Tortoise, then enter. Then we need to write our server email, just git config global, then user email space or email. Our configuration is done. Now we can commit, push and pull our project in our Git server. So if you like the video, please share and subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon to get regular update. Thank you.